bird is there. He just...
Oh.
Killer whales are highly social animals with a well-defined social structure.
Yeah, I think it's
Is always left out female. Though just half the size of her male counterpart, she is in charge. It's all about attitude, not size.
No, it's right there.
Because they live and work as a group, orcas need to communicate with sounds and body language. Orcas use clicks for echolocation or navigation.
Looks like they're leading the bird away.
Whistles to socialize in the pod. And calls for group coordination and hunting. Vocal development studies here at SeaWorld show that early on, calves learn vocalization from their mothers. But as they grow, they learn from others close to them as well. This is a bottlenose dolphin call that Shuka learned and even taught other killer whales here at SeaWorld. In fact, orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family. Whales here and in the wild use vocalization to communicate all the time.